Instagram hashtags are more important now than they ever have been for discovery. With all of the changes Instagram's making to Reels and search, it is so important to make sure that you're using the right hashtags with your posts on Instagram. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get started with your hashtag research for today, now, 2022. Now, for those of you who are new here, hello, my name is Andrea Jones. I'm a social media strategist, and I am so committed to helping keep social media simple and easy and fun for business owners in videos just like these. So make sure you subscribe and comment below so that I know you're hanging out here with me on YouTube. Before we dive into this training, I want to let you know that this training is pulled directly from the Savvy Social School, which is our membership program for business owners learning to use social media as a tool to grow their business. So you may hear references to other sections of the course or our community. That's for our members only, and if you want to get access to that content, come on over and join us at SavvySocialSchool.com. All right, let's dive into this tutorial. All right, let's start off with our hashtag research, and the best place to start is in the Discovery tab or the Search tab, which you can find at the bottom of the screen as the magnifying glass. The caveat here is that Instagram's always moving things around, so if you need help finding something, head on over to our community or comment below. We can definitely help you find it. Sometimes different devices look different as well. I'm using iOS. If you're using Android, it may look different. But look for this magnifying glass at the bottom. So I'm going to tap on that. And once you're here, in the top search bar, you're going to start searching for something. And I'm going to use a yoga business as an example. So I'm going to type in the word yoga and hit search. Once you hit search, so you do have to press enter, you'll see a few different options on this Discover page. Just note that part of this is weighted by hashtags, by popularity, by keywords, even in profile. But for this video, we're looking at hashtags. So you want to go over to tags as that tab there. And you'll start to see some of the hashtags. Now, remember our hashtag guidelines. We do want to try to find a hashtag between 20,000 and 1 million entries. And the very top one, hashtag yoga, has 107 million posts. 107 million posts. It's a very popular hashtag. So when you're thinking about building out your hashtag research, if you use this one, use it sparingly, and just fill in the rest with those highly optimized hashtags. So you can see here right on the first page, all of these are over 1 million. But if I scroll down a little bit, if I scroll on down, let's find one that is, how about this? Yoga therapy. Okay, so we have yoga therapy. It's less than 1 million posts. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. Now, when you're looking at the hashtag, yes, we want to have it between 20,000 and 1 million uses, but you also want to make sure that the hashtag you've selected fits in with your content. So, right, these top posts here, we want to scroll on down and say, okay, these are all yoga related posts. This could work for my business. And the reason is there are some hashtags that mean different things to different people. So you want to make sure that, the hashtag that you've selected is aligned with your business. Now, at the top of the page, you'll also see 3 different tabs. We have top posts, which is based on hashtags. It's also based on your account optimization and the types of content pieces you post. We have recent, which are the most recent hashtags within that category. So the posts that just added this hashtag right to their post recently. So you'll see that, and it's not loading for me now, but you'll see that there as well. And then you'll also see Reels. So you'll be able to look at the Instagram Reels related to that hashtag and some of the top Reels. And again, you want to make sure that your content is aligned with the content that you see here. Now let's go back over to the top posts, and I'm just going to select a post here, and it's from Mindful Savasana, and I'm going to click more, and underneath more, you can start to see more hashtags here. So if I'm selecting hashtag yoga therapy, Now I'm starting into my hashtag research. Okay, what else? What other hashtags can I use here that could work for my business? So yoga therapy, perhaps I also want to use something like yoga makes me happy. So let's take a look at that hashtag. Right off the top, I can see that it has 380,000 entries or posts. So it could be a very good fit for my brand. My content could stand out here. So now we have 2 hashtags to add to our own hashtag list. We have yoga therapy and we have yoga makes me happy. So as you're starting your hashtag research, you want to start collecting these hashtags, and we'll talk later in this section about where you can collect them. But this is the beginning of your hashtag research. So I can go back to that post and look at other hashtags as well. Let me actually pick a different post here. Let's see. A lot of these start with yoga, but another one that I want to kind of point out here is I love yoga. So one of the things you want to look for is when you start off with a hashtag yoga, it's going to give you all of the hashtags that start with the word yoga, which really isn't the full story. So we want to start diving deeper into that hashtag research. So I love yoga. Oops, I tapped trust yourself. I love yoga could be a potential hashtag to layer in as well. Now it's got 2.4 million views. So again, I would test this one out a little bit more, but you can see that it would not have come up in our search term because it starts with I love yoga, and we searched for hashtag yoga and then the rest of the phrase. So start looking through these top posts. Let's pick this boat pose here. Looks really intense. And yeah, just start looking through some of these posts here and seeing what other hashtags that you find go along with your content. So choosing some hashtags that would kind of align with it. So an example here, I just find here is my yoga life. So I'm going to tap on that one, 1.6 million. So not too far over the range that we're trying to stay in. And if we scroll through, we see a lot of yoga related hashtags. Good luck on your hashtag research. Hey, before you go, I've got to tell you about the Instagram Mindset Guide. It's a free resource that's going to help you strengthen your marketing by strengthening your mindset, and I think you'll love it. Grab it at the link that goes with this video, and I'll see you back here with another video very soon. Bye!